Hi, this is my review for the book Ready Player One by Ernest Cline. This is a fantastic book. Um, I really like the cover besides the book itself, but the cover is pretty cool. Um, so the book is, I don't want to spoil anything major about the book, but it's basically about this guy. It's more in the future. It's a futuristic type of novel. So it's in the future. He lives in kind of like this, like they kind of like stack trailers and cars, kind of like that, like to save space because there's no space to live. And then he plays like games on virtual reality, and then eventually he kind of gets like stuck in one, and then it's a whole, and it's really cool because he has to play the game, and then he's trying to get to a goal. I don't want to ruin it, but what I really like about the book is, I was going to say the word game, is that they mention so many old games, old pop culture stuff, make many references in the book, and it's part of the book. So if you're from the 90s or 80s or early 2000s, that you'll be like, oh, I know that, I remember that, and it's cool how he integrates it into the book. So it's just a lot of fun, deep story. It's a quick read because you get hooked when you read it. Like, it looks like a lot, but when you start reading, you're like, oh, okay, I want to finish this book. So I honestly spent just hours. I couldn't put it down. Like, I really wanted to know, like, what happens next. What happens next? So it's a pretty cool book, especially if you're a gamer, if you like old pop culture, video games, stuff like that, movies. There's a lot of references in this book. So yeah, so it's a lot of fun to read, and there's also a movie, but I think the book was better. So yeah, so I hope you check it out.